Eric Muathe at Muathe.com. As we start seeing signs of a market that could be setting up to pull back, we can see here that we can start being on the lookout for stocks that are showing failed breakout as one of the signs that a stock you might be interested in or you own is running out of momentum. For example, take a look at CXO. It tried to break out over the last couple of months above the previous 2014 monthly closing high at 144.50. After many months of trying to close above that price, it has failed to do so, and now we are seeing as a result of that it is already starting to pull back. So be on the lookout for such signals suggesting that a stock is running out of momentum. And you can also add on other aspects of the things we look at. For example, here we can see topside RSI resistance coming in play as the stock has hit this same line 3 times over the last 6 months or so and is already pulling back right now. Also, we need to be on the lookout for reversals based on uniform activity rejection on the monthly RSI. As an example, take a look at this break off the highs of 2014, brings the stock lower from the 140 price range all the way to the lows here in the 70s. So we take this RSI break, draw a line from there, something like that, and you can see over the last couple of months, again on the same level, the stock has been rejected as it tried to move above that red line, multiple rejections, which is now why we are seeing this coiling to the downside. We can backtest this same line going backwards, and the same line gives us this break off the highs of 2012 before we go into this slide here. So the line is legit. Stock is showing multiple levels of resistance on the same line, hence the pullback. And one other observation, you can see that this double top here that corresponds with the same line we just drew, which also corresponds with a trend break here of the highs there, trend break here of the highs here. What I'm getting at here is over the last couple of attempts to move above that line, this rejection here is also rejection with uniform activity when trying to move above RSI level of about 61.8. So multiple sell signals. In fact, I see this on across the board on so many charts that one has to be on the lookout for these types of reversals because there's so many out there. So be careful. Make sure your stocks don't have this type of sell signals. Otherwise, see you on the next video. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings.